So the main result of theory of finite groups as applied to dynamical systems, we have a discrete symmetry. For example, a 3-disc billiard has a symmetry which of 6 elements of 3 rotations and 3 flips. Then the weight of prime periodic orbit in the full space, which is always degenerate, because when you have a discrete symmetry, then you can use a symmetry to make a copies of your orbit. So this is number of copies. The weight of prime periodic orbit to its number of copies, that's what shows up in a spectral determinant, can be written as a product of alpha, which this is irreducible representation of the group. Determinant, which now acts on irreducible representation, because the group, action of the group, finite group, is represented by representation finite matrices. This is now the representation in subspace labeled alpha. This is where the reduced or relative prime orbit ends. So relative prime orbit P back to starting. And this is the dimensionality So if you understand all this, you don't need next 2 weeks of this course. Now, sadly, I haven't met a physicist or applied mathematician yet who understands any of this. So I will go into some detail.